Hi everyone, it's Sandhya. How are you today? Um, I forgot to pull down so you can see my logo, but it's me, Sandhya, and I'm here to pull the cards. I am shuffling the deck, and I have two cards for today for us from the I Am deck. We have I see perfection in everything. That's gorgeous. And we also have my body is in perfect health and strength. Mm. And go within and feel that. That just feels good to me right now. You know, even if you have any issues going on with your health, feel into your body and feel what your body has to say. Not what others are telling you or what your mind thinks from past experience, but feel what your body has to say. I am pulling from the Gaia Oracle deck now. And if there's anyone watching, if you do comment right now, I will pull a card for you. So the first person who comments will get a card read anytime during, even if you comment while, or you come on late, or if you comment while I'm doing the sound session. Um, before I leave, I will pull a card for you. And if there's no one on, that's good too. Oh, hey, hi, Roz. How are you? It's good to see you. I will pull a card for you as soon as I pull one for the group. Ooh, so we have this beautiful amethyst card for the group, and I just love all the purples and the blues, and my crown chakra and my third eye are just like, ooh, they're getting bedazzled. Transformation, certainty, confidence. I'm loving this one because you know the new moon is today, was yesterday. It was yesterday. So we're we're in good works here. And it's card number 41. And I'm doing well too, Roz. So let me see, card 41. And yes, I'm reading it from Angel Numbers 101. Let's just read what it says. The angels ask you to keep very positive thoughts as everything you say and think is manifesting into form rapidly. So that's beautiful. Whatever you put into action for yourself, it's taking form. That's exciting. So let's look up what 41 means. Amethyst. Transformation, certainty, confidence. So, a profound transformation is taking place in your life. After much soul searching, you are now back in control. A new you is emerging, poised and with renewed self confidence. You can move forward with certainty. The past is now behind you. The hard work has been done. All you have to do is decide what it is that you truly want. All is now possible. Listen to your heart and don't settle for second best. Set your course and then go for it. Be certain, be confident, and all is yours for the taking. Blessed be. So just know that when you put something out there, I mean, and you want to attract that, you just have to really be confident that it's coming into your life. You can't be wishy washy. Oh, I wanted that, but there's no buts. Get rid of the word but. Get rid of it out of your vocabulary. Every word after the word but is everything that's holding you back. So you don't need to say but anymore. You can replace the but with a larger word, like however. You know, just putting in the however gets rid of the but, because whatever comes out of the but is just not, it's just negating everything that you want. You start off saying that you want something, and then when you add the but, everything that comes afterwards is every reason why you can't have it. So you're stopping yourself from even receiving that which you want. If you say however, it's just giving you the option of looking at what the however, whatever comes after the however. It's more like an option kind of thing, or a grading kind of thing. But you know, even release that, because just put more into your container, grow your container, allow your container to grow. Because when you grow your container, all that you're asking for can come in. You give it a place and a space to exist within you. So then you can bring it in and attract it in and just have it, right? Everything you're asking for coming in. So here is the affirmation. And I will read it out loud. I give thanks for the transformation and healing that has taken place. I move forward through life with gratitude. I move through life with certainty. I move through life with confidence. I achieve my goals. What I focus on, I create. So just know that what you focus on, you create. So you don't want to focus on any kind of negative thoughts in creation. It's always positive. It's always attracting. It's always something which you want to create. If you stay negative, you don't need to do any creation on that. You don't need to create more negatives for yourself. You want to create with positive thoughts. And you want to be in balance with your energy so you can bring it in, and you can grow your container to bring it in, right? So now, Roz, we are pulling for you. But just know that you too can create. This is for the whole group. This is for everybody who comes on the replay. Everybody who comes on the replay receives. So this is a safe container, and it's for everyone. And I just got your card, Roz. And this is purification water. And it is card number 32, emotional cleansing rejuvenation. So here we go. I will read you what 32 means as well. 32 from the Angel Numbers book. It means the Ascended Master Jesus reminds you to apply his affirmation about the power of faith. With faith, all things are possible to your own life right now. So apply faith, apply those words to your own right now. So it's with faith, all things are possible. With faith, all things are possible. And what I'm getting is I say an affirming thought 108 times. It's even more powerful. It's almost like your body takes it in. So it's just like mantra work, where you say that statement and you bring it in. So this statement will definitely be more powerful and create that faith within you. So with faith, all things are possible. I would say that 108 times. That's what's coming in on that. And then here we go. I'm going to read you the card. It's a 32. Let's get there. Okay. I'm going to actually put the affirmation up first because I'll read it right afterwards. And this is so you have the words. Okay, now I'm going to read it because it's on 2 separate pages. So, emotional cleansing rejuvenation. This card signifies healing and rejuvenation, which comes as a result of emotional cleansing. In the coming days, you may experience some emotional turmoil. Drop feelings that you thought you had already dealt with or previously resolved resurface seemingly out of nowhere. Do not be concerned, for a profound healing is taking place. And at the end of this process, you will feel all the better for it. The lady featured The lady featured on this card emerges from the deep waters of her emotions into the light of a new day. Emotionally cleansed and rejuvenated, she is now ready to move fully into her power, free of the emotional baggage that she previously carried. So that's a beautiful thing. And when you release this, it's going to allow all the things to come in. So with faith, what is that statement again? 32. With faith, all things are possible. Keep that in mind. I would even say do that every day until this thing happens, even through that. One way to get through an event is to also say a mantra 108 times through the whole thing while it's happening too, or even afterwards. It's like it's just a beautiful way to bring that in and keep your faith in what you believe and your positive thoughts and your positive energy. So that's beautiful. And the affirmation is, you can also say this affirmation if you know that this is the issue that's resurfacing for you. I allow all unresolved feelings to surface. I give thanks for the healing that is taking place. I am emotionally cleansed. I am free of emotional baggage. I release all that no longer serves me. That is a beautiful affirmation. That you can also say that 108 times. Yes. I love this deck. It's really like giving you the affirmations are really beautiful and to the point. So, Roz, if you can just let me know if you resonate with this and if it's something that's already happened in the recent, or if it's something that you feel is coming on, just let me know. But I know that you can get through this with faith. All things are possible. Remember that and say the affirmation too at least 108 times through the day if you need to get through it. These things, 108 is pretty significant. I know it's a Hindu tradition to do it with mantras, but you can also do it with even an I am statement, right? You can do that 108 times, and there's power in that. Okay, now I'm getting the feeling that I should do some bull ringing today. So, for those of you who are driving or operating heavy machinery, please listen to the sound later. The rest of us are going to sit back and you can start deep breathing. So, also, if you have a pacemaker, please do not listen to the sound. It will actually be detrimental to your pacemaker. I think it will slow it down. So definitely no sound for you. And then if you're pregnant, please speak with your doctor um, before you listen to the sound. And here we go. And before we start, I just want to invoke and bring in all of the gods, goddesses, angels, archangels, guardians, guides, ascended masters, fairies, tree people, mermaids, dolphins, unicorns, dragons, light teams, energy teams, sound teams, vibration teams, divine spirit council, and your galactic teams and starseed families, bringing them all in to come in and support us. And you can bring them in by name. If there's an archangel that you particularly work with, like Michael and Raphael and Metatron, Uriel, invoke them in, bring them in. We're asking them to come in to love and support us in this safe container, and to work with us as we're releasing, to help us bring in and attract those things that we want to bring into our life. First, we need to release, and then you're ready to attract. And just so you know, I've already connected into Creator through the heart and Mother Earth through the heart and grounded in. So I'd like you to do that as well. Feel yourself coming into grounding with Mother Earth, sending a grounding cord down from your heart into the crystalline core of Mother Earth, into her 5D crystalline core, and connecting into that, into the heart of her crystalline core. So it's heart connecting to heart and grounding into her energy, and bringing in source into your heart, and then into your zero field, your dantian, which is located behind your navel and in front of your hara line, which is the central line of the body. And send out source energy through your neutral field to all your energy bodies, so you can balance your physical body with your chakras and with all your energy and in the cells, releasing any negative energy to go back to source, to be transmuted. And then we are balancing our energy from the physical body to sending this energy out through the heart chakra to balance the energy bodies, your aura, your auric field, your auric container, and your personal environmental space. And if there is energy in your personal environmental space that's not yours, command it to leave and go back to whoever it belongs to. And then see yourself, your physical body, all your energy bodies, your auric system, and your personal environmental space coming to balance with your physical body energy in your neutral field to your still point. And here we go. Sending the sound into any part of the body that has an imbalance still, or that has a pain or an ache. Deep breathing through, sending the breath through that chakra or through that area of the body where you feel pain. moving through your heart, through your chakras, feeling the grounding into Mother Earth, feeling the connection with Source in your dantian and your heart, feeling the heart where your higher self is. Seeing your higher self, Mother Earth, and Source, one in your heart. Bringing your mind down into your heart. Bringing the ego down into your heart. And bringing the love and light from your womb up to your heart. And for the male, it would be your testes. Bringing the energy and the connection from your testes into your heart. Bringing your divine feminine and your divine masculine into balance in your heart. We thank Source. We thank Mother Earth. We thank our higher selves. We thank ourselves. We thank the gods, goddesses, angels, archangels, guardians, guides, ascended masters, fairies, tree people, mermaids, dolphins, unicorns, dragons, our light teams, our divine spirit council, our energy teams, our sound teams, our vibration teams, our galactic teams, and our starseed families. Thank you, thank you, thank you. We integrate all these upgrades on all levels of our awareness in safety and bliss. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Amen. Jai Bhagwan Ki. And so it is. So we slowly start coming back into the body, wiggling our fingers and toes. If you're lying down, you may want to sit up, and from the sitting up position, just might want to slightly move your body and stretch a little for your own comfort and ease. Taking some deep breaths and really bringing your energy back in and being all in one in your body. And then slowly opening your eyes when you're ready. This was really good today. I did a lot of different work this morning, um, which I'm now incorporating into my spiritual practice. So it's all just really driving me deeper into my energy, which is I feel so. The message I received was that my intention to be in peace and love in my heart, like all I saw was this pink energy and just feeling peace and love just emanating out. So I just feel so good um, for the way that makes me feel. And I'm really, really happy to bring that in this morning. And I hope you guys are receiving and that you're making your dreams come true. Seed your dreams. Now is a good time to do it. You still have the power of the new moon, even 3 days after the moon. The energy is still there to really, really seed all those things that you want to bring into your life. So just some reminders. This Friday, I will be doing free card pulls on August 21st at 1 p.m. So you will need to register on the link, and it's on the event. So if you look under events on my page, Sunday of Sound Healing Alchemist, you will be able to go to that event, and it will give you the Zoom link where you need to register. And only the people who are registered on that link will actually be able to come into the Zoom, and then we'll pull cards for you. You know, I'll spend an hour there, and we'll do cards. And I have many different decks, so your choice. Let's just put that in there to encourage you to come. I have the I Am deck, I have the Gaia Oracle card deck, I have the Angel Tarot deck, I have the Ascended Masters deck, tarot deck, and I have Power of Surrender cards as well. So if there's something that you feel, you know, that you haven't let go of and you just need to surrender and let it go, we can pull that issue out as well. So come on, give me a try. You know, I'm intuitive, so I want to share my gift with you. And I really feel like this is something I'll be doing every month. So don't feel like if you don't come to this one that you'll lose out. But I mean, at the same time, it's the first time I'm doing it. So it would be great to have plenty of people there. So, you know, I can just be there for you. So please come. Please click on the link and register. And you get a free card, you get a free reading. So one card pull for each person. It would be great to get like 20 people. So invite your friends. It's open to everyone, right? So have a great day, everybody. And I will say, all my energy back to me, all your energy back to you. We are in our sacred spaces and places and times and dimensions, and we are disconnected. So our energies are separate. Enjoy your day. Have a wonderful beautiful day, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.